Hello everyone. Today we will read a story. The name of the story is Rainbow Sambar. What should we make for lunch today? Asks Patti. Let's make rainbow sambar, says Bhavya. How do you make rainbow sambar? Asks Patti. I'll show you, says Bhavya. Crispy violet sambar onions. Plump indigo brinjal. Can you see them here? Chop them up with a blue knife. Skinny green drumsticks. Round yellow tur dal. Can you see the tur dal here? Crunchy orange carrots. Juicy red tomatoes. Wash them, chop them, put them in a pot. Add sweet and sour golden brown tamarind and spicy yellow sambar powder. Fry them, stir them, let them sizzle and simmer. That's how you make rainbow sambar. Did you enjoy the story?